How to process and freeze water leaf. Hello, welcome to 77's Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Don't let your freshly harvested water leaf go to waste. Here's the best way to wash, slice, freeze it so it stays fresh for months. Water leaf is packed with nutrients and flavor, but it can wilt fast if not stored properly. Today I'll show you my easy step-by-step method to process, slice, package water leaf so that it's ready to use anytime, no waste, no hassle. First, fill a large bowl or basin or sink with clean water. Place the leaves in and swirl them gently. This removes dirt, sand, and tiny insects. Pro tip, change the water at least two times or three times until it runs clear. This keeps your frozen water leaf tasting fresh and clean. After washing, place the leaves in a colander or let the water drain completely. You can also pat them down gently with clean kitchen towel to remove excess water moisture. This step is important. Too much water can cause freeze burn. Now let's slice. Lay the leaves on a clean board and cut into fine shreds or your preferred size. Tip: if you use water leaf for soups and stews, slicing it before freezing saves you time in the kitchen. Comment below, do you process your water leaf or other vegetables the same way I'm processing my water leaf over here? If yours is different, let me know how you do yours or what is different from mine. Okay, we are done slicing. The next step is to package it, put it in bags so that we can save it. This is what we've made from our harvest today, and remind you this was just like a quarter of the harvest that we have. Comment below, what do you think about our harvest today? Is it too large? Is this too much? Or this is just enough? Divide the sliced water leaf into portion sizes you usually cook with. Place each portion into a freezer-safe zip bag. Gently press down the air before sealing. This keeps the leaves fresh and prevents ice crystals from forming. If you don't want to press down the vegetable bag, you can use a straw like this to suck out the air and seal the bag. That way, still minimizing the amount of air that's in the bag. Label each bag with a date. Water leaf can stay fresh in the freezer for up to 6 months, but trust me, it's so delicious you will use it long before then. Stack the bags flat in your freezer. This saves space and makes it super easy to grab what you need without throwing the whole batch. We are almost at the end over here, and so this is it. We have we're gonna have 3.5 bags of fresh organic water leaf that we're gonna put in our freezer and be able to use it anytime later on. So definitely an awesome day and an awesome harvest. And that is it. Perfectly processed, sliced, and packaged water leaf ready for your favorite dishes anytime. If you found this helpful, like this video, share it with a friend and follow for more smart gardening and kitchen tips.